Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the coolest kitchen and home gadgets that'll make your life easier. From time-saving tools to clever space savers, we've got something for everyone. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. So friends, let's get started.
Thermometer. Achieve perfect cooking results with the Professional Meat Thermometer Digital, designed for accuracy and convenience. This instant red thermometer provides fast temperature readings in just seconds, ensuring your meats are cooked to perfection every time. The clear, backlit display makes it easy to read, even in low light. With a wide temperature range, it's ideal for grilling, baking, and frying. The foldable probe and compact design allow for easy storage. Its waterproof feature ensures durability and simple cleaning. A built-in magnet allows you to store it on your fridge for quick access. Make precise cooking easier with this reliable tool.
Microwave splatter cover. Keep your microwave clean with the Tovolo microwave splatter cover for food, designed to prevent messy splatters while reheating. This durable release steam, ensuring even heating without trapping over most plates and bowls, while the easy grip handle makes it simple to place and remove. The transparent design lets you monitor your food without lifting the cover. Lightweight and dishwasher. The collapsible design allows for compact storage in tight spaces. Perfect for everyday use, it keeps your microwave mess-free.
Tabletop water fountain. Create a calming atmosphere in your home with the Homedix Tabletop Water Fountain. This elegant fountain features a cascading water design that adds a touch of tranquility to any room. The soothing sound of flowing water helps reduce stress and promotes relaxation, making it perfect for your living room, bedroom, or office. Compact and stylish, it fits easily on any tabletop or desk. The fountain is simple to set up and includes a quiet motor that ensures peaceful operation. LED lighting enhances the ambiance, creating a serene spa-like experience. Bring relaxation and beauty to your space with this decorative fountain.
Vegetable chopper. Chop, slice, and dice with ease using the Full-Star Vegetable Chopper, a must-have kitchen tool for quick meal prep. This 4-in-1 food chopper features interchangeable blades for precise cuts, perfect for onions, vegetables, fruits, and more. The durable, rust-resistant stainless steel blades ensure long-lasting performance. Its built-in catch tray keeps your countertop mess-free, while the non-slip base provides stability during use. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe, this chopper saves you time and effort in the kitchen. Compact in size, it's perfect for any kitchen space. Make cooking fun and hassle-free.
Donut maker machine. Create delicious mini donuts at home with the Dash Mini Donut Maker Machine. This compact appliance bakes up to 7 mini donuts in just minutes, perfect for quick breakfasts or fun treats. The non-stick surface ensures easy release and hassle-free cleaning. With its simple plug-in design, it heats up quickly and evenly for perfectly baked donuts every time. Ideal for small kitchens or dorms, its compact size makes storage a breeze. Get creative by adding your favorite toppings or flavors. Enjoy fresh, homemade donuts anytime without the mess of frying.
Sandwich maker. Make breakfast easier with the Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker, designed to cook 2 sandwiches at once in just minutes. This convenient appliance allows you to customize each sandwich with your favorite ingredients, from eggs and cheese to meats and vegetables. The non-stick cooking plates ensure easy cleanup, while the built-in timer and audible alert guarantee perfectly cooked sandwiches every time. Ideal for busy mornings, it heats up quickly and prepares a healthy homemade meal fast. Its compact size fits neatly on your countertop, and all removable parts are dishwasher safe. Start your day with a delicious, hassle-free breakfast.